So here we are in the king room. We'll just give you a quick tour of the room. We're here just for one night to catch a cruise. But anyway, here it is. So as you come in, you take a right, and we're here in the bathroom. It's a very small bathroom. It does have a regular sink, actually kind of pretty cool looking sink. A magnifying mirror. I do like the accent lights on the mirror there. Pharmacopoeia products. We got the body lotion, a dental kit, scope, plenty of towels, hair dryer. And then over here we've got the let her go up there and take a look. We've got again the pharmacopoeia, the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and just a regular spray wand for the shower. Also right across the way is a closet. You do have your in-room safe, ironing board, an iron, a couple of robes, and some hangers, and the baggage, whatever you call it. We do have a king-size bed. We've got nightstands on each side of the bed. It does have some plugs and some USBs, along with a lamp. And they're the exact same on each side. And I'm not exactly sure what this is. But
I think it's an iPhone charger. Okay. Possibly. Remember I had one on the side of my bed at one time.
We got the old school iHome clock alarm radio. We also got this this chair with a regular table, a floor lamp. We got a chase lounge with a table. It's kind of hard to see out there, but we're overlooking the pool, and we were out there earlier. Very beautiful. They have some swans you can rent to, like a paddle boat. They got like a little pond in front of the hotel. So very nice, very pretty. All right, we got a huge television. We do have a in-room refrigerator. I can figure out how to open it. There we go. Like a couple of drawers here. And we do have a desk with a lamp. You got your coffee maker, pods, and your ice bucket, and also some waters. And also right here, we got a full-length mirror. But as you can see, it's small. It's only 289 square feet, but it's going to be here for one night, but it'll do the job. What'd you get there, babe?
The huevos rancheros.
Huevos rancheros. And I got the, as a special, it was chiquiles and a side of bacon. Try yours, see how it tastes.
Oh no, yummy, yummy. I can already tell this is gonna be good. And we went to the market instead of the buffet today. So that was included for our globalist status. So we decided to come and pick what we wanted. Oh my, this is going to be a little messy. I'm just going to take a little bite here. The toppings are really, really good. I love the peppers,
feta cheese.
the feta cheese, and then they did give me some mild salsa, so I'll probably use that too. So, how about you, babe?
Let's try. Number 4.
Oh. That's so different. I would have not thought to try it. What are those pieces of
Corn tortilla.
oh, yummy. They fried it or something or yummy.
Yeah, like a southwestern flair. It's okay. Not my favorite.
How about that bacon?
Yeah,
It's bacon.
bacon's good. Bacon's good. Just like bacon.
Awesome.
Got a couple bottles of water. But anyway, this is what our breakfast is going to be today before we jump on the ship.